ready. He's a pro. He's ready.
Playing without a seat, we're always putting for many years.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There's got to be things. There's a party mode.
Party mode we can't offer.
No, yeah, of course.
Maybe next year. Marquez ist in der MotoGP eine Ausnahmeerscheinung und Ähnliches zeigt sich jetzt hier im Formel 1, dass er so schnell zurechtkommt, freut mich, weil zuerst war ein anderes Programm geplant, dass er mit langsamen Kategorien und ich habe gesagt, der Marquez, der kann das gleich und also er bestätigt das. Ich glaube, das war eine Steigerung, die ihn in einem Formel 1-Feld zumindest im Mittelfeld platzieren würde.
Yeah, of course, it's like you can see, it's like a box. I mean, you are here inside, you cannot do anything, you just see the wheels and nothing more. Now I'm a little bit nervous, but okay, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, from MotoGP to Formula One, one of the biggest differences is that on MotoGP you can see everything, what you want. I mean, you can look around, you can play with your body. And with Formula One you are like inside a box and then you see only two wheels, just in front and it's quite difficult because yeah, I mean, we are used to ride in another way. The most difficult with Formula One car is the braking. I already checked in the simulator and for braking, to understand the way to brake is the most difficult thing because with motorbikes always we brake and we stay there with the brake, and with Formula One it's completely different. You need to brake so hard in the beginning when you have the downforce with the high speed, then release. So yeah, I feel ready. I'm looking forward to change from 2 wheels to 4 wheels. Will be a nice experience and we will see how's going on.
Of course, it was really nice, the first experience. I mean, already you feel the neck, only 3 laps, but yeah, it was quite nice. The downforce is incredible. Every lap you were faster and faster, but straight away the car is giving to you a good feeling. So I didn't expect this, but the feeling was there, and yeah, we are trying to manage well, but it's incredible. I mean, the nicest thing is on the fast corners. The downforce, you are turning so quick and so fast, so stable, and we will enjoy it, sure.